Okay, so this is what I do with the spice. You know, I buy these spices in bulk at WINCO. Well, I don't say I buy. I've done it one, maybe twice. But what I do is I refill. Now, this is a cheap onion powder container. It wasn't that great. I did use it up. But I'm going to reuse the container. So I've already started putting my onion powder in there. But so I refill it. You know, I'm going to eventually get some really nice spice. I didn't want a spice rack when I first started setting up my house and stuff, because you know that made me think old timey. But now I do want it because I'm actually using spices more, and I want them to be glass, and this is plastic. But until I get that, I'm refilling these. And I didn't, you know, this one I took the label off. I don't remember what was on there, but this one I'm just going to leave the label. I'm going to leave the label on there because it's onion powder. And then I have the cumin that I've already put in my, let me cover you up. So, okay, so you didn't get, this is my spice cabinet. I mean, it is such a mess. It's hard to find anything, but, you know, whatever. It works for now. I have really too many spices for a spice rack, but I would like the things I use. Like, see, this, I don't, I got all these, I think at the dollar store or Aldi. I don't remember where I got them, but I just fill them up now. Like, this is not the chili powder that came from this container. But, chili powder was fine. You know, this chili powder actually came from, you know, you get it at Costco or Sam's, the big container, and then I put it in here. And the cumin I bought at WINCO and put it in here. So, anyway, that's what I do with my spices. Some of it, like my almond flour that I buy in bulk, I put, put it in jars, and I put the excess in the freezer. I don't know, are you supposed to do that or not? I don't know. I thought about putting it in this big jar, but I don't use almond flour all that much. I keep this in the refrigerator. I don't use almond flour all that much, so it was better to freeze what didn't fit in here because it was a lot. I really overdid it. And then I got my pink Himalayan salt. I put it in a grinder. That grinder there, or the big grinder. I have two. Actually, I have three different grinders, but those. Actually, I have four. No, the other grinder is a pepper grinder. Anyway, so I put them in there. But I have so much right now that I'm putting the rest in this. And I bought two of these at the dollar store, and one of them was broke. It had glass in it. So I'm really kind of scared to use this now. Maybe the glass isn't very, very thick. Anyway, moving on. Oh, and then the peanuts I put in. We got a mess going on here, guys. I put in here just to control my eating of them because I want this to last me at least a week. And then the other ones are in the refrigerator. And I got a bunch, and I'm not the only one who eats those, but this is my personal container, and I want it to last at least a week. If I put them in a bigger container, then that bigger container I'd want to last a week, and then that would not be right. Anyway, I didn't get that many spices this time, but anyway, that's what I do. Thanks for watching.